Avalanche is one of the fastest smart contract platforms in crypto, and it's quietly building one of the most unique ecosystems in Web3. But it's not just about speed. Avalanche is rethinking how blockchains can scale, without becoming bloated or centralized. So what is Avalanche, and why does it matter? Avalanche, or AVAX, is a Layer 1 blockchain platform that aims to deliver high throughput, low fees, and rapid finality, all while supporting custom, interoperable blockchains through something it calls Subnets. Launched in 2020 by Ava Labs, Avalanche has quickly risen to become one of the top blockchain platforms by market cap and ecosystem size. Let's start with the basics. Most people think of blockchains as single-layer monolithic systems. Bitcoin has its chain. Ethereum has its chain. But Avalanche was built from day one to be multi-chain and modular. At the heart of Avalanche is its consensus protocol, and it's different from traditional proof of stake. Instead of every node agreeing on every transaction, Avalanche uses a probabilistic, gossip-style model. Validators ping each other, come to agreement quickly, and finalize transactions in under a second. It's fast, lightweight, and scalable, with some test environments pushing over 4,500 transactions per second. And that's before subnets even come into play. So what are subnets? Subnets, short for subnetworks, are independent blockchains that can run in parallel on Avalanche. Each subnet can have its own token, rules, virtual machine, and even validator set. This means a game studio could launch its own Avalanche subnet that runs custom smart contracts, handles high throughput, and doesn't compete for block space with DeFi apps. It's kind of like Ethereum if every major project had its own dedicated chain, but they could all still interact. The default Avalanche network consists of 3 chains. The X-chain, used for asset creation and transfers. The C-Chain, fully compatible with Ethereum smart contracts. The P-Chain, manages staking and validators. Together, these chains form the core of Avalanche's architecture. But developers can build beyond them using subnets to create tailor-made solutions. So what are the pros? First, Avalanche is incredibly fast. Transactions reach finality in under 2 seconds, which is faster than Solana, Polygon, or Ethereum. Second, fees are low. Not zero, but low enough to support NFTs, games, and retail-level DeFi. Third, the subnet architecture gives Avalanche true horizontal scalability, something Ethereum is still working toward with rollups. And finally, it's already seeing real adoption. Popular games like Shrapnel and DeFi platforms like Trader Joe are building on Avalanche, while institutions explore subnets for private blockchains. But Avalanche isn't perfect. The subnet model, while powerful, is complex and still early in adoption. It also splits up liquidity and users across different chains, which can fragment the experience. AVAX, the native token, is used for fees and staking, but it competes with other gas tokens and doesn't always reflect the platform's usage. And like many high-speed chains, there are concerns about decentralization. Avalanche's validator set is still growing and not as large as Ethereum's. Still, Avalanche is one of the few platforms trying something genuinely new. And it works. If you believe the future of crypto includes scalable, customizable blockchain networks, Avalanche is worth your attention. This was ChainBrief, where we break down one crypto at a time, clearly and concisely. Subscribe for more no-hype crypto insights that actually make sense. Comment on what crypto you would like to see next.